Hi guys, Scott here at Florida Structural Group. We're back at Marina Terrace in downtown Fort Myers. We are 95% complete with the dock over here to the right. We're about 85% complete with the restoration. Right now we got screen enclosures going in. We also have some deck coating going on and doing the final touches of the painting. Thanks for checking us out. So with the dock, what we got left is obviously you can see we've built the pavilion there. So we got to install some shingles, a couple more pile caps on these mooring pilings here on the outside, and this one will be done.